Hey guys, it's your girl Ayn and you're watching Sunkissed Somewhere. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. My name is Ayn Bernos and I do videos 3 times a week, every single week, or when I can. I think I missed something with my intro. Anyway, I do videos on fashion, travel, beauty. Oh my god, what's happening to me? Anyway, so for today's video, I am going to show you guys 2 different looks, one for daytime and one for nighttime. So for my daytime look, it'll be very, I'm an adult. A lot of people assume that I'm in college or maybe in like senior high school. I don't know why, but I am turning 24 this year and I've been working since 2015. So like, okay, anyway, I'm a working woman. So my day look will be office friendly, and then over at nighttime, I would like to say it's a date look, but I have nobody to date as of now. So let's just pretend this is a clubbing look because I have nobody to go out with yet. I mean, I could go out with myself, with my friends, but like, okay, let's call it a clubbing look. I don't want to call it a date look yet. Okay, anyway, so right now I'm starting off with a clear face, bare face, and I'm just gonna walk you through it, all right? Shall we begin? We shall. We are starting off with primer, obviously. This one is the Blur Stick from Caroline. I've learned to love it, honestly. And so, here we are. Up next, I am using my Clinique Even Better foundation in the shade Nutty. So this shade is actually really good for my skin tone, which is, I'm very morena, and I found that I find it really hard to find good quality foundation that isn't greasy or like, you know, gross on the skin for morena skin. On a normal day, I don't actually wear that much foundation just because it's not my thing. You know, I'm a very light makeup person. Also, I'm really sorry for if I keep looking at the viewfinder because I'm using it as a mirror right now. I'm not sorry. Okay, after we're done with foundation, I am going to be using Caroline's Brighten Stick, which is essentially concealer. So I'm just gonna put it right here, a triangle, here, a little bit here. And now we blend. Yeah, look at my brush. It's like broken and everything, but guess what? I'm too broke to do anything about it. Hey, priorities, definitely not makeup. This is why I keep saying I'm not a beauty guru, because just look at this. Sometimes I don't even know if like my technique is right. Actually, no, all of the time. I really don't know if my technique is right, but this is how I do my makeup. So yeah, there you go. So now I'm just kind of doing all of the cream-based products. I'm heading over to contour using Caroline's contour stick. If you've seen my Caroline video before, I didn't really do a good job there because it was just like my first impressions. I haven't had time to practice, but since then I've really learned a little bit, and this is how I use it now. Again, let's go with my lovely brush. We are just going to set that with my Maybelline White Super Fresh powder. This is just a powder that I have. I don't know what real beauty vloggers use, but this is just what I have in my Kika kit, so it's what I'm gonna use. Okay, now for the day look, we're going with something really light and friendly looking, something very approachable, you know, not very intimidating. We'll save that for this evening. But for the day look, here we go. So just, you know, usual Kile. Okay, for this one I used my L'Oreal Brow Artist Expert, and I have no idea what shade it is, but it's this color. Let's proceed to my eye makeup look. I'm gonna keep it really simple. I'm just going to get my Nishido palette, take this color right here. It's a really nice bronze shade, perfect for morena skin. Again, for my day look, I'm gonna stick with one shade. I just want a pop of color, you know? I'm not even using brushes because like, okay, this is probably what I would do if I were in a rush, you know, if I didn't work from home and if I wasn't fun employed. So that's my eye makeup look, just one color, that's it. Not even gonna put mascara yet because I'm just gonna keep it light so I can easily adjust my eye makeup look for when I realistically go out later that night. Because, you know, I'm assuming in this scenario I would be out in Makati probably at the office and I don't have time to really redo my whole face. So I need to be able to go from day to night seamlessly. And so I won't apply mascara first for the first look just because I want to add some more drama to my eyes later on. I mean, luckily with my lashes, it looks like I have something on. So, blessed. I'm gonna use the Caroline Rose Stick for my blush as well. I'm gonna brush a little on the nose so we look a little sun-kissed. Though I am sun-kissed all the time, the extra help, I don't mind. And now we will finish it off with Happy Skin Love Marie's Moisturizing Lip Duo Part 1, which is this nude shade right here. Skinny Dipping. Ooh, this is perfect for our day look. This is a nude shade and let's see, hopefully it looks great on my skin. I'm really excited. Oh my gosh. This is really weird because I'm really happy. Well, actually, you know, I'm always really happy with my face, but what I'm saying is, oh my gosh. It's like your lips, but better. Why haven't my coworkers fallen in love with me yet? Blows my mind, blows my mind. Okay, now let's proceed to phase 2 of this video, which is my night clubbing look. Not date night, clubbing. Okay, first of all, we are going to darken the eyes a little bit, make it more dramatic, and we're gonna do that by putting contour powder on my eyes. This is from Etude House, their face designing contour palette, and I'm going to get this and use that here on the outer corners on my eye. There we go. Okay, now we're putting on eyeliner because you just want to like intimidate men. We need cat eyes that will cut whatever. See, this is what I was talking about. If I had mascara on, this would be so much harder for me. So, you know, for phase 2 Ayn to not have a hard time, phase 1 Ayn would have to compromise. That's how relationships work. Anyway, so let's recurl our lashes and then use mascara finally. Again, I'm just being practical over here. I mean, if I'm coming from work, I wouldn't want to bring my entire makeup bag, you know? Or not like my entire makeup arsenal. I want to be able to like fix up in the bathroom of my office and go from there. What should we put? I'm gonna put something on my waterline maybe. Maybe this one. Let's put that. Yeah, nice. I'm gonna put that all over my lid as well. Wow, looks really pretty. For my eyebrows, I think I'm going to darken it a little so we can look like Instagram baddies. And I'm gonna do that by filling this in a little more right by the arches. Pantay ba? Okay na yan? Okay na yan. I'm gonna put a little more. Yeah. Ooh, okay. And then most importantly, we need to put highlighter. So, bam. This is the Revlon highlighter stick in Gold Light, which is my absolute favorite highlighter. Because this literally lasts me all night. All day and all night. I don't need to reapply this ever. Let's put a little bit here and a little bit. And for our lipstick for phase 2, we are going to use Shut Up and Kiss Me Moisturizing Matte Lippy in Heartthrob. Oh, damn, girl. Ooh, you know what else we should do? We should let my hair down. I put it in a bun, and so now when I brush it, there you go. This is my nighttime clubbing look. So that's it for my day to night makeup look using Love Marie Happy Skin Love Marie lipsticks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it. Anyway, if you have questions, suggestions, recommendations, leave them in the comments section below. Also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I hope I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to stay confident.